Hey everybody, welcome back. Glad you came back to the channel to check out another video. Today what I'm going to do is show the unboxing. Just arrived today. It will be the unboxing of the V303. So let's see what's in the box. There we go, the WlToys V303. So, just arrived today. Ordered it a little bit before Christmas from GearBest.com. Go ahead and lay the box down and let's open it up. Well, we have an instruction manual right on the top here. We'll lay that off to the side here. And we get this nice styrofoam box here. See if we can get this out of here. Alright, on top of the box here, it looks like we have the camera gimbal. Comes with the V303. We'll lay it off to the side. We have our 4 props. We have the LiPo battery. It's 11.1 volt 3 cell, 2700 milliamps, and a 25C radius. Looks like we have the charging cable of some sort here. This must be for the LiPo charger. I would imagine it's a USB. Little wrench, the Allen wrench to probably put your props on and off. There's the charger and the power supply to the charger. That's what I heard rattling around in the box, was these little nut props, or pop nuts, I'm sorry. Looks like 2 of them are off, laying in the box somewhere. There we have our controller. It's not a bad little controller. It's got the go home, the headlock on it, and this has, they're both neutral. Have our trim buttons. It looks like we have a mode select. We have a takeoff mode on this, and we can get into that later after we assemble it. These up here do nothing. Okay. Comes with the legs already on it. Okay, thought there for a minute. Sorry, I thought there for a minute that we were missing one of the prop nuts. I couldn't find it. I apologize for having that styrofoam in the view. But here's the quad itself. The WlToys V303 Seeker. It's not as heavy as my Cheerson C20. It looks like it has somewhat of a rubber on the bottom of the landing gears. Our brushless motors on here. Has some styrofoam stuck up in the motor. We can get that out later. But there you have it, the unboxing of the Seeker 303 WlToys Seeker and everything in the box. And I'm going to go ahead and lay this out here. And we will get into the assembling it in the next video here. And hopefully, it's a little cold here in Indiana right now, so I don't know when we'll get the chance to try this out. This is kind of a replacement that I had ordered due to the fact that my Cheerson CX20 is not correct yet, and I'm waiting for GearBest.com on that as well to get with the supplier to find out what we can do about it. It appeared it had some problems, so they're trying to work with me on it. Hopefully we get this resolved and get that taken care of. I really enjoyed the Cheerson CX20 a lot, but due to the fact that I didn't have a camera quad, I went ahead and ordered this WlToys Seeker 303 so I can get a small camera at least up and do some aerial photography like I enjoy doing. Doesn't seem to be real bad, but we'll see what it's like when we start to fly it and compare it to the Cheerson CX20. The reason I didn't order that again, I figured it was a bad mistake and maybe I just had a bad one, but I didn't want to spend another $250 to find out if they're all bad. So I thought I would try something different this round. So I ordered this Seeker here. But we'll go ahead and I'll cut the video now and I will connect the video back, or we'll make another video of the assemble of this and the charging of the battery and putting it all together, and hopefully we will soon to have a test flight with it to see how it flies. Thanks for stopping by, thanks for checking it out, and if you like it, please hit that like button down there and don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate all your views and all your support. Thank you.